Hello, we will speak about one very fun sport. It is the basketball, and of more big player of historic basketball. He is Michael Jordan. Also, we will speak of any rules and some data of historic basketball. The basketball was invented by James Naismith in 1891. He was a teacher of education physical in the city of Spring Hills.
In January 15, 1892, James Naismith published his rules for the game of basketball that he invented. The original game was played with the next rules. 1. The ball can be thrown in any direction with one or two hands. 2. A player must not run with the ball. 3. The ball must be held in or between the hands, the arms, or body, but must not be used for holding it. 4. The first infringement of these rules by any person shall count as a foul. 5. The second infringement shall count as a disqualification. 6. Must not be allowed the substitution. 7. If either side makes 3 consecutive fouls, it shall count a goal for the opponent. 8. When the ball goes out of bounds, it shall be thrown into the field of play and played by the first person touching it. 9. The referee must be judge of the ball. 10. The referee must be keep the time and he decide when a goal has been made and keep account of the baskets. 11. The time must be 2 15-minute halves with 5-minute rest between. 20. The side making the most points in the time is declared the winner.
Michael Jordan was played American football, basketball, and baseball in his early years as athlete. He was trained for Dean Smith in the University of North Carolina. Michael Jordan was won 6 championships with Chicago Bulls. He was considered the better athlete of 20th century for ESPN. He was won 2 gold medals Olympic. The first in Los Angeles, 1984, and the second in Barcelona, 1992.
His is Luxury Life of Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan, one of the famous basket players in history, is also one of the billion athletes with a fortune more $1,000 billion. While Jordan incomes come from the side of the hip's name and image of the Nike sportswear, what for 2 decades upper with Air Jordan brand. In addition, his sports jeans that with braid such as Gatorade, Hans, Update, 2K Sport, Presbyterian, with Car, iFat, Star Frigate. Also his 89.5% of the share of NBA franchise, which is valued at $34 million.
Personal life. He married with Juanita Benoy in September 1989 and they have 2 sons, Jeffrey Michael and Marcus James, and a daughter, Jasmine Jordan, and a barony filed for divorce on January 4, 2002, citing irreconcilable difference but recording shorty titler. They again filed for divorce and were granted a final decree of dissolution of marriage of December 29, 2006. commenting that the divorce was made mutually and amicably. It is reported that Juanita received a 1,068 million settlement, making it the largest celebrity divorce settlement in history at the time on public record.
That's at about the basketball, and see you friends. Goodbye.